Hi guys, Lens here. So I have this Android phone. When it rings, it is not showing us anything to answer the call. I am going to show you how we can fix this. So I am going to go ahead and ring it. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to call the phone. So I'm calling the phone there. So guys, nothing is showing to say we can answer the call. Right guys? So I'm going to hang up. I am going to show you how we can quickly fix this. Head over to your settings. You want to go to your apps and notifications. You want to go to your dialer, or it may be listed as phone. So it can be listed as phone or dialer. You click on it. Then you want to go to notifications. You can see that the notifications are turned off. You want to turn this on. So we should be able to see the default incoming calls, missed calls, outgoing calls. Let's go ahead and try it again. So it's actually showing up there at the top. Save, answer, decline. And I'm going to put it on speaker. Hello. So everything is legit guys. This is how you can fix that issue. And we are good to go. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.